Hello people, welcome to the video. This one I'm hoping won't be too terribly long, but it might. I just finished building the main part of the engine, the intake, the exhaust, well, the temporary exhaust. This is eventually gonna loop back into the fuel tank. Why, you may ask? Because it's more efficient that way. Way more efficient that way. But I was doing some math, because I normally do. I don't know why. But I found how to balance this engine, and I'm gonna balance it firsthand right now. So, whatever values that you see here, this is how you balance an inline 6. You don't have to do it exactly the way I'm doing it, you just gotta use the same numbers. If you do have Stormworks and you want to balance one of these steam engines, and you have a specific 6-cylinder, yeah, what I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna turn this into a Boxer 12, just because, so I could use it in future use, like maybe a plane. A plane. Maybe that could be the next video. I don't know. Could be in the next video. Negative 33. I need one to be negative 16. Negative 16. Real quickly, gonna paint the colors, so then I know which ones I've done and which ones I haven't done. So this one, and this one. Oh, fudge. Didn't I do one? Did I do one yet? I don't think so. No, but I just need one. Literally the number 1. And now I need 18. 18 might go here. And then lastly is 35. 35. And now, for these positive numbers, they're going to be gold. That works. I'm hoping that's a nice firing order. Hopefully it works good. But let's find out by testing this thing. But real quick, I want to paint it. Oh, dang. Though, I'll just paint the intake. The exhaust can stay this gray if it wants to. This ain't exactly white, it's technically a dark gray. Sorry guys. Have a little cough. And now this is good here. There. Now you may ask what that fuel tank is. That's a testing steam tank. When it comes to the final thing, I would have it be empty tanks, and then I have to fill it up manually. Oh yeah, that looks nice and smooth. Let's find out though. Come on, engine. Come on. Breathe. Oh wait, you can't breathe. Can you? No, you can't. Stupid me forgetting that I deleted the old ones and I need to connect these ones. So no wonder it couldn't breathe. It didn't open the valves at all. It's basically like running a real engine, except why can't modulars do this? Modulars would make more sense because they're diesel. This is steam that we're working with. Steam acts differently. Yeah, that hand crank though, I wish it was in the game. Unfortunately, it's not. But yeah, hopefully this is... What the freak? Okay. Let's see. Oh boy. Okay, I wonder why... I wonder why it's doing that. Oh no. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Um, yeah, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna real quickly. Oh, I did a mistake. Yeah, I forgot I had that on. Now I just do this, this. Now I just need these. And then this. And now this. Go. Oh wait, this just became a reservoir. The steam tank. Oh well, that's fine. I'd rather have it a reservoir than something bad. Like having an enclosed system, honestly. Okay, so now we have this. Let's get this pump rolling too. I mean, at least it's not gonna overfeed this thing, making it drown. And now run. Come on. Oh yeah. I knew it. It would run better this way. Look at that. Ah, that's much better. It's because I have an enclosed system now. It's reusing its steam. It's not wasting it, just throwing it into the air. It's just reusing it, which is why it's doing that with the pressure inside. This does seem nice and all. You may say. You may say this thing's very nice. How much power can it do? That is what I'm about to find out. Let me try some gearboxes and a generator. I want to try a large one. Give it a little more load. And this goes this. I'm gonna try 3. Like this. And large generator. Let's find out how much power this thing makes in S watts. S watts is Stormworks watts. Because I'm not sure if they use watts or horsepower. I'm not sure what they use for power. Electricity power though. Come on. There, come on. Come on, engine. It's taking a little bit to start. Okay, then it goes down. Oh boy, this thing's running very low now. Oh no, it's running very low now. It ain't dead. It's not stalled, so that's good. It's only making 40-ish power. That's not a terrible amount. That's not a good amount, but it could be better though. I mean, if I want to spin a propeller, and I'm talking like otherwise the aircraft propeller or the rotor light for a plane. Unfortunately, I don't think an Inline 6 is going to cut it. I hate to say it, but it might not cut it. But I wish I could adjust it better. Should I adjust that top? That looks cool. In my opinion, you guys let me know if you like that or not. Right there, the red, or do you like the original gray, or any of these colors really? Like I can do gold to go with the gold, and no, that's not gold. That's brass. There's also green here. I like the green. In my opinion, that's just my opinion though. I'll leave the green, and then I'll let you guys decide if you want me to change it or not. Let's see how much propeller speed this thing can do. I hate that boat. I hate AI in this game. I hate it a lot. Oh yeah, I have to remember, this thing takes a little bit for the steam to start going in, for some reason. I hate to say it, that's not a lot. That's not a lot of rotational speed. Is this thing moving? The game has wonky physics. So I'm gonna transform this real quick. I don't know. I just need the top of the engine, the back of the engine, the exhaust side, the intake side. That should be the whole engine. Now I just rotate it like this. I missed the most important part. I forgot the steam tank. Dang it, I could have had that on. Oh well. Okay, let's turn it this way. Oh, fudge. This goes here. You. And there. Stupid cough. So there we go. Now we have this. Okay, so okay, so I just need to do this. Okay, now this goes like this, and then into that. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it feels, because I want to see if it's smooth or rough still. I just realized that ain't gonna work. Now it's gonna work, hopefully. This is a much smaller engine, hopefully it gives out a decent amount of power. Okay, that looks okay. Now let's have it up and bring this down. I'm aware it might not look the best. It doesn't have to. This is just so I could test it with a propeller. Because I'm really curious how fast I can get a propeller spinning with this. Now, only problem is load from the propeller is gonna cause problems. So I would have to account for that too. Now I just need my prop. Actually, no, just 2 blades. All good. Oh, wow. That is not a bad speed. The only thing is the torque and load and stuff. That's another thing too. But for an engine this size, it's doing okay. Surprisingly, it's doing okay. But I'm still not fully impressed, because I know a way I can maybe get some more torque out of this. But I don't know if I should do it. How much space is there? Three. I could do it. Now you may ask, what are you gonna do? Some people call this cheating, maybe. I see it as a way to get a little more power out of an engine that doesn't really make any to begin with. Some people would probably know what I'm doing right now. And some people are probably hating me for it. 7. That looks okay in my book. Now, some people are gonna question what this is gonna do to the engine. Hopefully giving it more power. But we do need a function. And I just realized, how am I supposed to read the RPM or RPS? Oh yeah, there is the one down there, but it ain't gonna be at full power. And I don't think full power can work. Okay. Actually, wait. Now face it this way. I'm giving these RPM, or no, RPS, while they give me torque. That's what those arrows mean. I'm giving them RPM, they're giving me torque. Just like how I'm giving all my torque away to give RPM to the propeller. I need something to give me back my torque. I have an idea. Just do that, and then this is something that I can easily adjust it better. Just in case if I need more gearboxes or something. Which I might honestly do right now. Might do 3. I'd rather do that. And now, these all go to the same ratio of 3 to 1. Every 1 rotation the engine makes, these are going to go 3 times with 1 gearbox. I don't really know what for. Why am I yawning so much today? I don't know, man. Alright, let's try and get this thing nicely started. Dang, I forgot. And then torque. And then, no, not torque, RPS. I'm gonna take X divided by 50. How about 75, just in case. I'm not sure if they rev that high, they probably will. Alright, now let's turn on this. Oh, typical. Let's try 70 instead. I hate myself so much for coughing. Good, I did not save anything as this thing yet. That's a lot of RPS. Now, I might see a potential plane with this, but I'm not so sure. I'm gonna be done for now. I'm gonna put this on a plane and see if it flies. But I'll make the plane off camera. I'll put the engine on. I'm not sure if I should have the camera on in the next video, or if I should just have the engine in it when I start. That's up to you. I mean, unless you don't answer, then I will do it in the video anyway. So, have a nice day. Stay healthy. Keep happy. And eat fruit.